Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this security camera that was sent to us by Rebluum for us to check out today. Now this bad boy has a battery inside of it, which is super cool. You can charge it, set it out anywhere you need to, and you don't have to worry about it. Also does come with a solar panel, so you can keep that battery charged if you'd like to. However, you don't have to connect this solar panel if you don't want to. You can take this in every now and then, charge it up, and put it back out there, and you'll be good to go. Battery lasts really long on these little cameras like this, a few weeks, without even having to charge it, as long as you have those sensitivity settings set correctly to where it's not picking up every little thing. So let's go over this really quick. I'll also cover the app really quick as well. So you have your camera right here. It is a PTZ. So this will rotate all the way around. This goes up and down. You can view pretty much everything. You got your big, huge antennas on here, which is cool. So great coverage on there. And your battery's down inside here. You have your wire right here to connect to your panel. Also does have a USB-C connector right there, which is what your panel has. Also has all your mounting hardware, which will attach right here. And this is your mounting hardware. And then you have the cord for that. And then you also have the mounting hardware for your solar panel and some screws and stuff to go along with it. So that's pretty much it as far as the camera goes. The little connections up here, up top, right there, you can put an SD card and then power on and a reset button on there. And I'm gonna go ahead and point this at me so you can see my beautiful face while we are checking out the app. Also comes with, dropping stuff, quick start guide, 24-hour security little sticker, so you can put that up, let people know you are recording them, and then of course the full instructions right here. So I'll open this app up here for you all. And the app that we are going to be using is called the CloudEdge app. So we'll go ahead, open it up, brings it up right here, and then I can hit this button and it will show us, right there we go. We have the stream that's going live, very, very little lag on it. Let me go ahead and turn this volume down so we don't get any feedback. So as you can see, works really well, really clear right there. You can take a screenshot, you can push this button and you can talk. Hello, how are you doing? Oh, gotta go ahead and enable that really quick. All right, now we should be able to do it. There we go, right there, we got it. Hey, how's it going? All right, works really well. Don't want to do it too long. Again, feedback, you can hit the record button so you can take a capture of whatever's going on the screen. You can adjust your motion detection on here, which is what I said earlier. Ensure you have those sensitivity settings and everything set up correctly to extend that battery as long as possible. And then you can change the detection sensitivity yourself. And then you can also do this little check mark here and it will automatically adjust the sensitivity to ensure that you're not draining that battery. You have a humanoid detection, so it can give you alerts if a person walks by. A night humanoid detection, you can change that to have both or none working or one or the other. And then you can change the sensitivity on that. There is a power saving mode. Power saving mode, it just changes the length of the recording and sort of tones down some of those other settings. Performance mode, it's like the exact opposite. It's gonna record a whole bunch of stuff. Me, I have mine set to custom recording time of 30 seconds and the alarm interval I have is off. And the alert plan, this is where you can set when you want alerts to come in and not come in. You have the humanoid alarm. Go ahead and get this to pull up. The humanoid, this one I think is the one where you set the area. Yep, this is the one where you can set the area. So you can go on here and you can set it to where it will detect certain things in certain areas. It's gonna go ahead and load up there. I'm not gonna mess with doing that, but there we go. now it shows up. But what you can do here is you can hit this plus button and you can draw different little areas to where it will or will not give you notifications for humans walking in that area. I'm gonna go ahead and not save that. And then you have the option to have the alarm and the lights go off. You can have them go off individually. You can have them to go off together. All right, I think that's it for that screen there. And then here's the PTZ. You go into it and you can have the camera move. Look at that, really cool. You can go left, you can go right, you can go up, you can go down. You can change the quality here. I have it set to the 5 megapixels, which is what you're seeing, which is basically the HD quality. And then if you bump it down to the SD quality, which maybe you might want to do if you have limited bandwidth in your house, but you're not going to get as good as quality on that. If you can see right there, my beard, and then we go to 5 megapixels, you can see the hair on my beard just a little bit better. Then you have, let's go back into that. And then you can turn the light off and on. Right there you go. And you can go into your history here. And it also does have a cloud service here. There is a subscription that you have to pay for in order to get the cloud service. Not very much, only a few bucks a month. So not bad at all. Go back in here, make sure we didn't miss anything. Establishing the connection right there. And go up here to these other options. You can receive different alerts for different things. Alarm management, image settings. You can flip the screen, so if you mount this upside down, it'll still be good to go. Full color mode and intelligent vision in black and white night vision, so it'll automatically flip back and forth depending on if it's day or night or whatever. And let's see, you can share the device with somebody in your family or somebody outside of your family if you would like. Has an installation guide, has a location management. Not gonna go in there because it shows my Wi-Fi points and stuff. Don't wanna show you guys that. Has a work indicator light on here. So if you push that on there, see if you can see that. But there is a little blue light that lights up whenever that's on. And then if you turn that off, that little blue light goes away. So you could sort of watch people without them knowing. Time settings on here, you can change them from 12 to 24 hour. Sound settings, you can bump this up, so maybe it's louder, softer, whatever you want. That controls that alarm, as well as your voice. Video encryption, you can have it encrypt the video if you'd like. AI intelligent analysis, this once again is the subscription service, and it will tell you if there's people, pets, vehicles, or packages that it captures. Again, you can change those points on the screen to what you want it to monitor and when you want it to give you those notifications. Super cool. I've messed with a whole bunch of cameras like this. Cloud storage service, and then it has link with Alexa and link with Google Home. So if you have either one of those like smart hub devices, you can say the magic word and show backyard camera or whatever you have this camera labeled as, and it will show up on your screen. Also, if you have it on your app or on your phone, the app on your phone for either one of those devices, you can just go in there and view all your cameras that you have linked to it as well. So I think that pretty much covers everything as far as the app goes. I'm gonna go ahead, take this outside and mount it. I'll show you how easy that is. All right, so I'm gonna mount mine right here on the corner of my backyard deck. Apologize for the sweat. It is about 105 degrees outside today, but easy to do this. So we'll go ahead and get this mounted. All right, so we have that up there. All you gotta do is take this and it slides on and clips into place. Just like that. All right, so now we're here on the back side and we're going to mount our solar panel. All right, so lesson learned, don't lose that little cap that goes on there, but not a problem. I can still screw this on here. And actually inside I have a few other of these mounting things, so I could easily take care of that. But you want to get it on here and then you can adjust it to where it's getting the most sun. Of course, that's usually to where it's pointing towards the south. So yeah, I think that'll be about best right there. And then of course, as the seasons change and stuff, you can easily adjust this. And then you just take this and connect them. And you're good to go. You are now charging your camera. Your camera's mounted. It's all that simple. So wasn't too hard. The only thing we had was we lost that little screw on there, but still we were able to get it to work. So just ensure you keep track of your hardware. But overall, really great product here. I'm excited to be able to use this, keep track of everything that happens here in my backyard. We do have a trail that runs right here just on the other side of this fence. always kind of concerned about people walking back there and then walking into my backyard. So really great product here. Once again, this is from Rebluum. It's a security camera that has a battery in it and also includes the solar panel. So go ahead and check it out.